Well, hello, Canadian Campaholic here, coming to you on Christmas Eve 2024. There's our trailer, still parked on the grass, having its winter slumber. Love this time of year. You know, next to going camping, Christmas is my next favorite thing in life in terms of things to do. In our house, it looks like Christmas threw up. There's decorations everywhere. And, while it's sad to not be going camping and it's so long until the next camping season, having Christmas is just a great way to kind of pass the time. Those of you that follow the channel know we've got 4 kids ranging in ages from 2 to 14, so Christmas is very special. Just going to come inside the shop where it's a little bit warmer. It's a little chilly outside. One thing I thought I'd share this holiday season is my wife and I don't really buy each other a lot of gifts anymore. We tend to focus just on the kids, and even with the kids, we try to go easy with the gifts, try to buy them, a smaller number of more meaningful presents instead of spending an absolute fortune on stuff that they will either never play with or forget about in the next year. But one thing that we do that's camping related is buying camping ornaments. I've shared some of these on the channel before, but I love every year seeing what kinds of Christmas ornaments there are out there. In particular, Hallmark has a series called Happy Campers. Now, it's been kind of hit and miss over the years. They release it usually in August or October for the Christmas season. Some of my favorites are from back in sort of 2015, 2016. The collection for us started with this pop-up camper. When we had a pop-up camper or tent trailer at the time, you put the light from the Christmas tree inside of it and it glows. Wonderful little ornament. Not long after that, there was another one that was a lantern. And again, it was one where you insert one of the lights from the tree and it makes the little tent glow, a little camping scene inside of there. It's been kind of hit and miss in the last couple of years. Some of the designs have been really lame. One year they had one that was like a reindeer sculpture made out of different camping implements, which I didn't really care for that one too much. There was another trailer one that looked more like the small trailers you might see towed behind smaller vehicles with reindeer going over the top of it. I didn't like that one too much. This year's one is Happy Holidays, and it is a trailer again, but it's made to look like it's made out of gingerbread, and I don't know, I didn't care for that one too much. We did get one back in 2019, I think, which is a trailer with a giant tree stuffed in it, and the tree is spilling out in different directions. One year, my in-laws went out east on the east coast of Canada, and they bought me this lovely little ceramic ornament, which we have on the tree every year. This year, we went to a little place called Parks Blueberries. It's a blueberry farm, and it sells other produce. It has a really nice little market there. A little expensive, but definitely a tourist destination. And I picked up this ornament. And I absolutely love the fact that you've got the trailer, you've got the little camping scene going on there, you've got details on both sides. It's not quite as nice as some of the Hallmark stuff, but I thought for this year it was a nice little addition to the tree. So, yeah, that's how we kind of combine Christmas and camping all together. Anyway, we'll keep this video short. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, regardless of what you celebrate this time of year. I hope you're getting an opportunity to spend time with the people that you love. Let's all hunker down during the winter, and let's all look forward to the 2025 camping season. We'll talk to you later.